Hi guys, if you love Nsala soup but want a lighter, healthier twist, this version made with oats is the perfect one for you. So here are all the ingredients you're gonna need. Fresh catfish, you can also use chicken or goat meat. Rolled oats to thicken the soup. We have ogili, obey, oda and uziza seeds, pepper, salt, seasoning cubes, crayfish and Utazi leaves. So firstly, you're going to clean your catfish properly. What I do is I like to pour hot water over it, leave for a few seconds, and then I rinse it off to remove the slime. So the hot water hardens it a bit so it doesn't break apart easily in the pot, and it also helps when you're trying to remove the slime on the fish. Then you're gonna place this in a pot and then you season with salt, seasoning cubes, those your blended spices, crayfish and your peppers that you blended or grinded. Then when you're done with that, you're just going to go in with a little water that's enough to cook the soup, and then you let it cook for a few minutes until the fish is almost done. Next, we are going to prepare our oats thickener. For this, I'm going to blend about 3 tablespoons of rolled oats into a fine powder. Then I'm going to make it like I'm making my swallow. But if you prefer, you can just mix it with a little bit of water and just turn it into a slurry, and then you set it aside. But I prefer making it this way. So I make it the way you normally make your swallow, and then after that I'm just going to set that aside because that's going to act as our paste for the thickener. But this version is lighter and it's also healthier than using yam flour for it. By the way, if this is your first time watching, I'm Chizoba, and on this channel I make classic Nigerian dishes and some foreign dishes as well, and then I also make diabetes friendly recipes, and this Nsala soup is one of them, and I try to post every week, so keep a watch out for my videos. Now back to our pot, I'm going to add more crayfish, and then I'm also going to go in with some salt, but always give it a check to be sure. And then I'm going to go in with the oat paste little by little until I've gotten everything in the pot. And then when I'm done adding them in, I'm going to give it a little stir, just gentle stir so the fish doesn't break apart, and then I'm going to allow it to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. It will start to thicken beautifully. Now finally, you're going to add your sliced Utazi leaves for that classic Nsala flavor. If you like a stronger aroma, you can add a little scent leaf or more ground uziza seeds. Then give it one last gentle stir and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it, our light and flavorful Nsala soup made with oats, perfect with swallow like millet, oat or wheat swallow. This version keeps all the traditional taste but with a very healthy twist. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who love Nigerian food. This is it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye.